Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to edit Squarespace website. Well, to do that, go to your browser, then search for Squarespace or visit squarespace.com. After that, log into your account. After you log into your account, click the account icon at the upper right corner, then click account dashboard. Now, choose the website that you want to edit, then click the website button to edit the website that you choose. After that, click the edit button to edit this website. You can choose what you want to edit. Example, you want to edit the site header, just click on it. You want to edit this text, you just click on it. You want to add a block, just click the add block button and save it. Also, click the website tab at the left corner to add a pages and other options. And that's how to edit Squarespace website. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.